Coding assistants. Coding assistants are tools which help us to write our code with an ease, and we will see how to use it. We open our analysis window and go to edit. And here at the left, we got code snippets. These are some code samples which we can implement right away in our code, just double-clicking it. For example, price chart is what we already saw also. This is this plot, which means like a draw. So what is this? Draw. C is a shortcut for close, so draw close. Call it price. Use this color and some style. Well, very similar to the syntax is equal. Draw something, call it this, color it like this, and the last parameter is optional. So we can explore what we have here, but actually it is not much, but we can use it as a reference or inspiration. See here, trading system, EMA or MA crossover. That is exactly what we saw in previous lessons. A definition of some indicator and buy and sell statements to be able to backtest it. In this case, we define an, again, EMA, exponential moving average, with period of 20, which is declared here separately. And we buy when close crosses, is a special function crosses the moving average, and sell when the moving average crosses the line. The cross is from downside up, so when the close crosses the average from bottom up, it buys, vice versa, sells. We may see the cross later, or it is in the code reference. It is very easy function. And then we got a wizard. I will close this. I don't need to save the changes. Analysis in the main menu, not in the analysis window, but main menu analysis. AFL code wizard, which writes code on your behalf. Let's try our outside bar. So we get enter long when, exit long when. These are our buy and sell statements. Enter short when and exit short. These are statements when we are short selling. So when we are doing opposite of buying a stock. But so far we worked with these two, buy and sell. So when are we buying? The outside bar, our definition of outside bar was at item and write or define the expression in natural language. So value of close. Our outside bar was defined as when the low of current bar is lower than the previous bar. So value of. I click it, select low. Now, that's true now because we are talking about current bar is lower, less than value of low, and not now but the previous bar. How many bars ago? 1. And it got translated to this statement, which is exactly how we defined our first condition of outside bar. See this line. Compare today's low to yesterday's low. Low value of low now means current bar is less than value of low 1 bar ago. And when we edit the item, it automatically edit the end. Value of close of today's bar is greater than value of high of yesterday's bar. Bars ago, 1. And again, we got the same expression. But actually speaking a nature language. So feel free to use it. It's fun to code like this. But for the rest of the course, we will stick to classical coding, as that's the way how to learn it. By the way, thanks to the wizard, I can see that I get these extra brackets over here, which are not necessary. It doesn't affect the function, it is just to keep the code clean. Okay, so we got documentation, code examples, which we can close for now, and code wizard. Use it as you like. Me personally, I consult the documentation often. I don't use the code assistants or wizards, but it is perfectly fine if you do.